looks like me. Wait a minute. He's got a hat just like me. He's got my shirt on. And he's in my boat. In his chair. Fishing. Hey, Dad. You want a hug? Turned out to be a great day.
Be a perfect day if we catch one.
Probably not going to happen, but
right.
We're hoping.
How
This
you
is
doing
Dad
today, Matt?
catching a fish,
Are you catching anything?
and it's a herring.
Please videotape. Ah.
I videotaped it for you, and it got away. All right, so we're using the herring lures, and Dad needs to tighten up his drag, or he's not going to pull us in. But
Ooh. You getting that?
come on, zooming in. Which way are we going? Yep. There he's running up here. There it is. No, it's bring him over here. I'll pop my hand in his mouth. Is that a herring?
No, I think it's
It's a carp. Look at that. Oops, you'll have to release that. Woo! That's a herring, Dad.
No, it's not.
Yeah, it is.
No, it's not.
It's not a shad. It could.
Yeah, they could.
We are in the Hudson. Why didn't you get it? Kinda, not really.
Yeah, that's the dam. I think the white is, maybe not. So the coveted fishing spot on land is right up there at the left-hand corner where that building is, right about there. Oh, we got the open water up here now. We could move up. But Matt wants to catch a couple here. Pretty good action. Oh, I got 3, I think. You got one? Little herring. We got 4 now. We can catch these all day. If they were good eating.
They are. Herring.
Well, next time you should bring a container.
Live, fresh one. Ooh, I got him dead center of the lure shot. Nice. Boop. Beep. Fouled hook on the fin. The dorsal fin. That's what you get. Oh, yeah. Shad. I mean, mutant herring. Right. Can you get it, buddy? Nope.
I don't know what it was, do you?
Yeah, it's another shad.
Is it a shad?
Yeah.
Probably.
Ooh, man. This is on my bait caster. I think I got 8-pound test on here. Peeling off that line.
Of course, I could say that's me because you got my shirt and hat on.
No, because my hat's green.
Your beard is darker too.
Yeah, it's...
I'm surprised he hadn't snapped off. Hey, buddy. Having this little pull. What are we gonna do with it when you get it up? I need a net. He's underneath the boat. play with him.
Ah, he's off.
Around the backside, maybe he'll come off. No sense in bringing him in.
Look at that color. Look at that color. Look at that beautiful fish. He's all like, I'm gonna eat you.